He sent me a message saying, okay, it's here. Namgera close. I will easily find you on this short road.
Nangamba kale yino eya namgera close nja kusobola okubanga nkusinkana kana akakola.
I will easily find you on.
I will easily find you on this short road.
Continue.
But it's the first gate on the left side.
Naye gate esooka ku mukono ogwa kkono.
I have told the custodian to wait for you.
Era ngulidde omuntu akumawo awo abeere ng'akulinda.
And you?
I replied, okay.
Nemuddamu ne mugamba kale.
And him?
Ate ye?
Still on the way, dear. Hope I didn't miss it.
Mugamba olidde oli mu kkubo kansuubire saagimiki oba saakisubiddwa.
So what time was he informing you that?
He replied, still on the way. Still on the way.
Come again?
You
Read it again.
read it from still on the way.
Still on the way? No. Still on the way, dear. Hope I didn't miss it.
Damu naweza mesi ng'abuuza nti olidde oli mu kkubo ddiya kansuubire saagisubiddwa.
What time was he asking you that?
Zaali ssaawa mmeka bwe yali akubuuza ekibuuzo ekyo?
27:07 p.m.
Kwali ku iseketa 27 ku ssaawa emu ey'akawungeezi.
Did you reply?
Wamuddamu?
Yes, I replied him with a photo.
Nemuddamu namweza ekifaananyi
Traffic jam photo.
ekya jaamu abaakutte emmotoka.
Yes.
And the word traffic.
Did he reply you?
Yakuddamu?
Yes, he sent me a message saying, okay, it's cool.
Addamu nampeereza message kale kiri bulungi.
The message was?
Okay, it's cool.
What is after K?
It's cool.
After K, what is K?
Comma. It's cool.
And then you?
Ate ggwe
10 minutes away.
nemugamba ndi ngulayo dakika 10 okutuuka.
And him?
Ate ye?
Okay, I will come to get when you call, because it's raining now.
Nga kale nja kujja ku geeti wonookuba olw'ensonga nti enkuba etonnya kati.
What followed?
Ekyaddirira.
I'm at the gate.
When? Oh, I'm at... Okay, I hadn't seen that. Who sent that message?
Ani ewe message eyo?
I'm at the gate. What time is your message?
Message eyo wateereza ssaawa mmeka?
13:08 p.m.
Agiweereza nga kwiseko eddakiika 13 ku ssaawa 2 z'ekiro.
What? Any other conversation?
I called him on WhatsApp since he was not responding.
Nemukubira ku WhatsApp nsonga nti yali taddamu.
Okay.
He replied.
Era yaddamu.
Then on first,
He replied. What do you mean by he replied?
Ekyotegeeza nti yaddamu.
he called back. He didn't answer and he called back.
Teyakwata ssimu yange naye yaddamu n'ankubira.
Just so you have now gone to the 1st of April.
Yeah.
What communication do you have on the 1st of April?
Good morning. He sent me a message. Good morning.
Who sent?
Okello.
Okello yaweza message nakuzomwezi omwaka okuna nga mbuuza passport.
It was around 39 past 5 a.m.
It was what time?
39 past 5 a.m.
Twali tuyisekedde eddakiika 39 ku saa 11
Did you reply him?
Wamuddamu
Did you get the keys?
mbuuza nti wafunye ekisimo lusi.
He replied yes.
N'agamba nti ye.
That's all.
Ng'era byebyo.
Lord would love to tender the extracts contained in the report as PID. We tender the report which contains the extract as PID.
Who is replying? Replying.
My Lord, we have no objection as long as it's tendered in as prayed by the land chief state attorney.
Oludda oluwaabi lusabye alipoota eyo ebaddemu engeri omujulizi ono gyeyayogerezeganyaamu n'omusibe okuweebwayo mu kkooti okubeera nga kkooti egirako obulabi era ne baloya b'omusibe tebatwakanyisa.
When you don't use Momo, you get unwanted surprises. Save yourself from unwanted surprises. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Nature.
The digital forensic report dated 13th of April 2026, from which the extract said to be a conversation between the witness and the accused, which are found on pages 37 to 40 of the report, is hereby admitted for identification and it is mapped CEID 3.
Kotekereza lipooti eyo eyawandiikibwa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 13 ogwokuna omwaka guno omwaliri enjogerezeganya ewamu mu kkooti eno n'omusibe esangibwa ku peegi eya 37 paka ku peegi eya 4 ng'era kkooti egimakinzenga PID ey'okusatu ey'oludda oluwaazi.
My lord, that's all from him. It's available for process.
Yes, Mr. Kumuga, please proceed.
Much obliged, my lord.
Mr. Juma, that gentleman is going to ask you some questions. Please answer them to the best of your knowledge and ability.
Mwami Juma, omwami alina ebibuuzo byagenda okuba nga akubuuza era nkusabye obeere ng'ebibuuzo ebyo biddamu nga
Juma, so the hours of 10 a.m. to 12 noon on the 2nd April 2026. Where were you? The hours.
You just try to be direct so that you don't confuse the witness.
Okay. Where did you spend your day of the 2nd April 2026?
wasibwako olunaku.
Whole day.
My lord, that's why
No, when
I
you
had
say
specified the
no,
time.
you were unclear, and when a question is not clear to the court, I don't think it will be clear to the witness. So make it clearer. You're either interested at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. That would be easier for him to answer.
Okay. At 11 a.m. on 2nd April 2026, where were you?
Ku nnaku z'omwezi nga 2 ogwokuna omwaka gwa 2026 ku makya ssaawa 5 wali liddawa.
I was at my place.
Nali ewaka ewange.
Where?
Ewa.
Namasuba Ndejje.
Namasuba Ndejje.
Okay. My lord, I pray that the land chief Stataton gives him his statements to read.
Asala mwa gavumenti amwe statement ze.
Okay. Have you seen page 1?
Page esooka ogirabe.
Page. Mr. Juma. Page 1. For your statement, where you started, there is your name, Juma.
Ewatandikira waliwo erinnya lyo Juma.
Okay, leave that paper, go to paper 2. On top there is your name, Juma, have you seen in the paper too?
Yes.
Okay. Count line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Line. Don't go to another page.
Confidently has first established from him whether that is actually his statement.
Much obliged. Have you reached there?
I can't recognize.
Mr. Juma, is that your police statement?
Juma, your statement here, you are police.
Yes.
Does it have your name and signature?
Yes.
When was it recorded?
What you andika?
On 4th.
4th of this month?
No, it was not on 4th. It was April. I need to get the date.
Go to page 1. Go to page 1. On the sides of your statement.
On 11 April 2026.
Okay.
11?
Okay. Did the police read back to you?
Police
I don't recall.
I don't recall.
Yeah.
But you believe in what you wrote?
Yes.
Okay. Go to page 2, or paper 2. Have you seen paper 2, Mr. Juma?
Yes.
Okay, you count from line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you seen the word USA?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read that, the next statement after the word USA?
I can't read the handwriting, please. Someone
Can't read. Can I read it to you as
Yes.
we are looking there?
Yes.
Okay. The said person in our dealings was very sober and coordinated in whatever he did and agreed upon. Have you realized that's what
Yes.
Okay. Now the question comes. Do you have any qualification in mental illness to determine whether the person you were dealing with was sober and coordinated? Do you have any medical qualification?
I don't think anyone can tell me.
Answer the question.
Mr. Juma, answer the question whether you have a
No,
medical
I don't.
qualification.
My Lord, I'm through with this witness.
Okay. In the exam?
Yes, my Lord, just one question. Mr. Juma, you told the police that the accused was very sober in his dealings with you. What was your basis for that observation?
Wali osinziira ku ki okubeera ng'ogamba nti omwami oyo yali mbeera nnungi mu ddiiru zammwe ze mwali mukola?
According to his approach.
What do you mean?
the way you consulted us,
okusinziira mu ngeri gye yatutuukiriramu,
and mentioning the type of, the services he wanted,
ng'ayogera buyambi bwe yali
Let me
yeetaaga.
get that clearly, please. What made you make that observation or come to that conclusion?
Come again.
the way he contacted us,
And I was asking you to tell what you mean by that.
Gye yatutuukiriramu,
a mad person cannot reach out on the internet and book a service.
omuntu eyagwa eddalu tasobola kubeera nga ayogezera naffe ku intaneti oba mu bitabo.
Please repeat that.
Ddamu byogere ebyo.
A mad person cannot look for service on the internet.
Omuntu eyagwa eddalu tasobola kunoonya buyambi ku mikutu.
What else?
A mad person cannot transact.
Era omuntu omulala tasobola kubeera nga bwaweereza oba sente.
What do you mean by transacting?
Transferring money from different platforms.
In this case, what platforms were you considering?
Mobile money,
Yali akozesa mobile money.
Other than that, was there any other basis for your said opinion?
a mad person cannot be given a driving license
Era omuntu omulala tasobola kubeera ng'aweebwa ne driving license
and he cannot drive.
era aba tasobola na kuvuga.
That's all.
Era byebyo.
Are you done with him?
Yes, my lord. We
I
pray.
want to ask him a few questions.
My lord.
Just one.
Omulamuzi alina ekibuuzo kimu kyagenda okubuuza.
Mr. Juma, would you give anyone, any client who comes for drive, would you give them your vehicle without a valid driving license?
Mwami Juma, osobola okuwa client yenna abeera azze ewammwe nga talina driving license ng'ekyaliko?
No, my lord. That's why we check.
Nedda yensonga lwaki tusooka ne tukebera.
I guess you have no question arising from my one question. You have no question arising from my question. Do you have? No, my one question.
No, my lord.
How about you, Mr. Morgan?
No, my lord.
Before we take on the next witness, could we straight for 10 minutes? Just 10 minutes.
Koti egenda kuwumulamu eddakiika 10 zokka.
Now the public is getting excited. Thank you, my lord.
you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day. Bolder and hotter than ever. Hello, Mr. Right is back in season 3 on Star Times Makula Chika, starting 15th March every Sunday at 8 p.m. This is Uganda's ultimate TV dating show, where intentional kings step up and confident queens dominate the stage, where charm meets class, swag meets beauty, and money meets nyash. All in Spotlight. Who will walk away with a soulmate? Hello, Mr. Right Season 3. It's sponsored by Vaseline, Viat Esheri, and lead sponsor Chinatown. Hello, Mr. Right Season 3. Love, vibes, drama.
Do you remember the first time you met? That one moment when everything changed. We all remember the nervous yes.
Oh God, I'm getting married.
The cheers and the sound of wedding bells, the family you grow, and the life you create together. That's why the Bride and Groom Expo 2026 is back under the theme Beyond I Do, a journey of love, home and family. Join us from the 26th to the 28th of June at Uma Multipurpose Hall. Discover everything from your dream wedding to your perfect first home. Enjoy fashion shows, marriage counseling, and exciting exhibitions for only 10,000 shillings. For more information, contact 0772 354 940.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama, nkwenye nkumitano. Abantu abakulu atandise obuyayo mwene.
Obuyayo obuliga.
Iwe.
Ngobi yanko
ba sente dange nizade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.